Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and scan a QR code right there in your Discord. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, go ahead, open your Discord, but before that make sure to update your app as well. Go ahead, open it up. So once your Discord is open, you will be able to find this kind of interface. So for that purpose, go ahead, tap on your profile icon in below right corner right over here. And now once you get to your profile, what you can do is simply scroll down, find this scan QR code right there. Here in your settings, go ahead, tap on that one, and this one kind of interface will open up where you're going to scan QR codes. So this, you can use it if you want to connect your Discord to your laptop or your computer or a desktop right there that you want to use to log into your Discord right there. You can go ahead, open it up and scan the QR that will ask right there in your desktop. You can use it for that, and you can use it for another account's QR scan as well. So once you do that, you will be able to access from here right over here, and you can use it according to your need. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.